Good day grade 6 learners. We are your assistant for today. I am teacher David.
And I am teacher Karina.
We are the presentation assistant of Sir Jerome D. Capallard. We speak what he commanded
us to say. Let us have a review of our week 5 lesson, which is calculating speed, distance and time.
Speed is the rate of motion or distance traveled by an object with a given time. Distance is the total length between two positions.
Time is the quantity measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continue. Let us recall how to calculate these using the triangle method. Just cover the item that we need to solve, then divide, if what remains are above or below, to one another. Multiply the item if they are besides one another. Example 1. Distance and time are already given, so therefore we calculate the speed. Cover the speed from triangle. Since distance is over time, the solution will be distance divided by time. 195 divided by 3 is 65 kilometers per hour or kph. Example 2. An insect is crawling in a straight line at a speed of 14 centimeters per second. How far will the insect travel in 30 seconds? The word far indicates that we need to look for the distance. Cover the distance from the triangle. Since speed and time are besides one another, we will multiply 14 by 30. Example 3. Larry jogs at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. How much time does he take to jog a distance of 30 kilometers? It is very clear that we are looking for the time in this problem. Cover time from the triangle, then divide distance by speed per hour. Example 4. Joseph drove for 3 hours at a rate of 60 miles per hour, and for 2 hours at 70 miles per hour. What was his average speed for the whole journey? Since we are looking for the average speed, compute first the two sets of distance and time. 60 times 3 is 180, 70 times 2 is 140, 140 plus 180 is 320. 320 is the total distance. The total time is 5 hours, therefore we need to divide 320 by 5, which will give us 64. 64 miles per hour is the average speed. Recap: distance is equals to speed times time, speed is equals to distance divided by time, and time is equals to distance divided by speed. Let us now listen to Teacher David for his discussion on composite figures. Thank you, Sir Jerome, for using me as one of your presentation assistant.
Thank you, Teacher Karina, for that wonderful discussion on speed, distance and time. Now we move to area of composite figures. A composite figure or a composite shape is formed from two or more plane figures such as rectangle, square, triangle, circle and others. Let us have a review first on how to get the area of plane figures. For rectangle, just multiply the length and the width. For square, just multiply the measurement by itself. For triangle, multiply the base and the height divided by 2. For circle, pi, which is 3.14 times radius squared, or pi times radius times radius. The first thing to do is to identify the composition of the figure. From the illustration, what are the two figures that were combined? Awesome, you are correct. It's rectangle and triangle. Let us now compute the area of this composite figure. Analyze the measurement. The rectangle has 12 and 14 as the length and the width. For the triangle, 12 is the height. So how can we get the base? We just need to subtract 22 by 14. So the base of our triangle is 8. After analyzing, you may now compute the area. 12 times 14 is 168 centimeters squared. 12 times 8 is 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48 centimeters squared. Now combine 168 and 48. This will give us 216. So the area of this composite figure is 216 centimeters squared. Do not forget to write the correct unit, which is centimeter squared, because without this, your answer will be invalid. Recap: area of composite figure. First step is to identify the figures that were combined. Second step is to analyze the measurement, then compute the area of each plane figure. Third step is to combine the area of each plane figures that were identified. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher David.
And I am Teacher Karina. See you on the next video lesson of
Sir
Jerome D.
Capellet,
Capellet, in which we are the presentation assistant.
Subscribe to 3J Cap YouTube channel for more grade 6 math videos.